Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the compressor is a 12V DC unit and that its current draw is within the battery's capacity. This prevents overload. Once done, park the car on level ground, engine off, and use gloves and eye protection. Make sure you identify the battery's positive and negative terminals and clean any corrosion so clamps make solid contact. Now position the compressor and cable so there's no strain on the clamps. Then prepare to attach the positive clamp first. You connect the positive clamp firmly to the battery's plus terminal first, because that reduces spark risk. Next, attach the negative clamp to a clean chassis ground or the battery's negative terminal if required by the compressor. This completes the circuit. Make sure cables are routed away from the fan, belts, and hot exhaust. Use zip ties to secure them. If your setup uses an inline fuse, place it near the positive terminal and match the fuse rating to the compressor's max draw to protect wiring. You power the compressor briefly and listen for steady motor operation while watching battery voltage. An unstable motor or excessive heat means stop immediately. If it doesn't run, double-check clamp contact, correct polarity, and that the inline fuse hasn't blown. Also confirm the battery has sufficient charge. If voltage falls under about 11.5 volts, the battery is too low. Recharge or start the engine briefly to avoid deep discharge. Finally, disconnect negative first, then positive, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.